keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning!
A warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 5th, Subject Mathematics, Topic Angles, Part 2. In the last class, students, we have learned what is an angle, how to name an angle, what is vertex, arms of an angles, and we have also learned the three types of angles in the last part. Now, let us start. Let us understand with the help of protractor how to measure an angle. Observe how to measure angle ABC given alongside using a protractor. The first step is put the center of the protractor on the vertex P of the angle. Place the baseline of the protractor exactly on the arm BC. The arm of the angle do not reach the division on the protractor. At such time, set the protractor aside and extend the arms of the angle. Extending the arms of the angle does not change the measure of the angle. Now here, with the help of protractor again, the angle is measured starting from the zero on that side of the vertex on which the arms of the angle lies. Here, the arms BC is on right of the vertex P. So, therefore, count the divisions starting from 0 on the right. See which mark fall on the arm BA. Yes, students. Then read the number on that mark, and this number is the measure of the angle, students. So here, therefore, the measure of angle ABC is 40 degree. Yes, very right, students. We can measure the same angle ABC by positioning the protractor differently. Yes, the same angle can be measured in the two ways. First way we have already seen. The second way is just put the center point of a protractor on the vertex B of the angle. Align the baseline of the protractor with the arm BA. Find in the second step, find the zero mark on the side of BA. Count the marks starting from the zero on the count of a point A. See which mark falls on the arms BC. Yes, read that mark, student, and observe that here too the measure of angle is 40 degree. Moving ahead, students, as you can see how the angles given below have been measured with the help of protractor. Here you can see the angle measure of PQR is 90 degree, as we are keeping on the baseline of a protractor on point Q. The angle measure is 90 degree. In the next we can see here the measure of angle X, Y, Z is 105 degree, as it is more than 90 degree, as you can see here. The next we have seen here is measure of an angle LMN is 50 degree. You can clearly see in the diagram shown here. Now students, we are clear with the concept of measuring an angle. Now let us learn how to draw an angle of a given measure. Here drawing an angle of the given measure. Example, draw angle ABC of measure 70 degree. Here, B is the vertex of angle ABC and BA and BC are its arm. First step is draw arm BC with the help of a ruler. Second step, since B is the vertex, we must draw a 70-degree angle at that point. Put the center of the protractor on B. Place the protractor so that the baseline on arm BC. Count the divisions starting from the zero near point C. Mark a point with your pencil at the division that shows 70 degree. Now student, lift the protractor. Now students, draw a line from vertex B through the point making the 70-degree angle. Name the other end of the line, that is A. Here angle ABC is angle of measure 70 degree. Rahul and Sayali drew angle PQR of measure 80 degree as shown. Rahul drew the angle as shown here, and the same way Sayali also drew the angle as shown in the picture. So students, have Rahul and Sayali drawn the angles correctly? Yes ma'am. Rahul's angle is wrong. And Sayali's angle is correct. The teacher asked, why is Rahul's angle wrong? Then Rahul replied, I counted 10, 20, 30 from the left and drew the angle at 80 degree. The teacher replied, Rahul measured the angle from the left. Under the baseline on the left of Q, there is nothing. The arm of the angle is on the right of Q. Therefore, the point should have been marked on 80 degree counting from the right side, that is on the side on which point R lies. So, here you can judge Rahul's angle drawn was wrong and Sayali drew the right angle. Come on, go ahead students. Now let us understand what is parallel and perpendicular lines. Parallel lines do not intersect. That is, they do not cut each other no matter how far they are extended on either side. From this example, we can clearly see the bar on the window in the picture are parallel to each other. In the second example, we can see the step on the ladder in the picture are parallel to each other. The vertical legs of the ladder are parallel to each other. So, now let us understand the next one, that is perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines, when two lines form an angle of 90 degree with each other, they are said to be perpendicular to each other. Let us understand with the help of example. We have seen many objects standing straight on the ground. These objects form a right angle with their shadows. For example, the angle formed by a pole and its shadow on the ground is 90 degree or a right angle. Similarly, adjacent side of wooden plank or books are also form an angle of 90 degree. Consider here, when two lines form an angle of 90 degree with each other, they are said to be perpendicular. So you can see here, to show that two lines are perpendicular, a symbol as shown in the figure is drawn between them. Yes. So let's summarize students what we have learned. We have learned what is angles, different types of angles. We have also learned how to measure an angle with the help of protractor. We have learned how to draw an angle, and also the concepts have been made clear about the parallel and perpendicular lines. That's all for the day, students. Keep learning new things every day. Thank you.